So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Plex media server not opening on PC, service restart, firewall and repair install. So fix 1 is close background process and run as admin. Open task manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus escape, locate Plex media server and Plex update service, right click each service and select end task. Search for Plex media server in the Windows start menu. Right click on it and select run as administrator. Fix 2 is open Plex manually in a browser. Press Window plus R to open the run dialog. Type the following URL and press enter to navigate to the URL. If Plex opens, it indicates that the server is running. A broken shortcut may be the reason for the issue. Third fix is restart Plex. Right click the Plex icon in the system tray, select exit, reopen Plex media server. If needed, restart your PC. Fourth fix is clear corrupted Plex app data. Press window key plus R to open the run dialog box. Type percentage local app data percentage and hit enter. Locate the folder name Plex or look inside Plex media server. Right click the Plex folder and delete it. Relaunch Plex media server from your desktop shortcut. Fifth fix is disable VPN or proxy. Turn off any VPN software, disable proxy setting temporarily. Try opening Plex again. Note that VPNs and proxies can block Plex connection. Sixth fix is update or repair the Plex installation. Open Windows setting, navigate to apps, then install app. Search for Plex media server. Click the three dots next to Plex media server and select install. Visit the official Plex download page to download the latest installer. Run the installer to repair or update your Plex installation. Thanks for watching.